Alright. Thank you guys for clicking on the video. Good afternoon. I hope you're feeling good because you're fucking amazing. And yeah, so today guys, meron akong just something na nangyari sa akin kahapon. And I know marami sa inyo who gives a fuck about ang nangyari sa inyo. I'm just gonna share my experience and I hope you guys probably will relate, and I'm sure 99% of you guys that watching right now can relate sa sasabihin ko ngayon. Why I'm mixing a lot of Tagalog and English in this video. Fuck! And by the way, I'm pumped again because papunta ako ng gym. Today we have chest day, aka push day. So yeah, let's start. Kahapon, nagaya yung kapatid ko, yung ate ko na mag-grocery. So, yun. Bago kami mag-grocery, ang gusto ng ate ko is mag-KFC. So, kumain siya sa KFC. And me, as you know guys, I do care about fitness and this shit. So, sabi ko, parang gusto ko ng ng Subway kasi it's healthier, which is I highly doubt na it's healthier option because to be honest, I want more protein kasi gusto ko yung chicken sandwich nila. So yeah, kumain yung ate ko sa KFC, diwan ko siya doon, magkatabi lang naman yun. And pumunta ako ng Subway. So pasok ako, and man, I'm fucking telling you, yung babae, like she have a very bad bitch resting face. Alam nyo yon, i-search nyo kung di nyo alam, yung resting bitch face. Like, I know, me personally, sometimes I have it. But, if you're in your job and you're representing a company, you should control that shit. Especially if you're working on the fucking counter, right? Like, ganito siya, oh. Yes, sir. How can I help? Anong order nyo? Like, and I'm, what the fuck? Like, first of all, sabi ko, okay, it's fine, sa loob-loob ko, it's fine, let's go with it. Then, bitch, alam mo yung ginawa niya? Like, ginanya, like, yung table, tinab niyang ganyan, okay, that's all, sir, that's all. Like, may tono yung boses niya, I'm not sure if sinasadya niya yon, she's having a bad day, gusto niyang sirain din yung day ko. She saw me that I'm probably in a good mood because guys, I'm always motherfucking positive. Like me, it's very hard for me to stay negative, like I don't know why. Like, kasi pumasok ko, I was smiling, obviously I was so positive, like, she probably saw me and sabi niya sa loob-loob niya, ang saya mo hindi ka sasayang ngayon, tangina mo. Like, she probably say that, I don't know, but, it's fucking weird, man. She has some tone and she was having a bad day. So overall, napansin ko yun, sabi ko, okay. Sabi ko, nawala na ako ng gana. Sabi ko, okay, thank you for your service, I'm done. Lumabas ako because I know na if I continue, I will snap the shit up. Like, I will give up and makikipag-away ako sa kanya and I don't want that to happen. Kasi pag nakipag-away ako sa kanya, masisira lang yung araw ko and so on and so forth. So sabi ko, thank you, that's all. Lumabas ako. And believe it or not, guys, I'm not sure kasi ang alam ko, ang Subway, laging puno yan, laging may pila. Like, literally, yung Subway na yun, specifically, walang katao-tao. Like, bakante. Like, yung cook at saka yung babae lang sa counter. Like, literally, parang ghost house. Like, so, yeah. Lumabas na lang ako and I went to KFC. And I ordered some fucking chicken and fucking rice. But that's all. And by the way, this is not first time to happen. And I'm sure kung bakit ganun yung attitude ng babae. She hates her job. And that's whole another video. Like, she probably hates her job and someone's just having a bad day. But the point of this video, guys, if you're having a bad day, like, there's no reason for you to make other feel the way you're feeling. Like, I know a lot of people like that. Pag they're feeling a bad day, nakakita sila ng taong masaya, gusto nilang sirain yung araw ng taong yun. Like, that's not good, guys. That's not an attitude. That's a very, very, very shitty attitude. Like, and I know a lot of people like that, and sadly, it is what it is, man. So that's all. Humahaba na naman yung video. Just something that I want to share with you guys. Like, if you're having a bad day, fix it. Face it. Don't hide from it. Like, meron akong kaibigan the last days. She's having a bad day. And sabi niya, pre, I'm having a bad day, kaya napainom ako. Sabi ko, you know why you're having a bad day? Because you never faced it. If you're having a bad day, me personally, if I'm having a bad day, okay, tignan ko sa likod sa salamin, you're having a bad day, face it. And I will fix that problem. Like, if you're having a bad day, fix it. Don't hide from it. A lot of people are having a bad day, sigarilyo, inom. Like, no guys, if you're having a bad day, face it. Fix the fucking problem. So it will not happen again. But if you kept hiding from it, inom ka, maninigarilyo ka, no guys. And the sad thing, I know people that binge eat. Like, if they're having a bad day, ikakain nila, and there will be, the point of this, if you're having a bad day, face it guys, fix it. If you're not satisfied on what you've achieved in your life, like, work hard on your job, and so on and so forth. So yeah, that's something that I want to share, and I'm on my way to the gym. I'm excited to hit the chest day, and I hope you relate from this video. And yeah, that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I know konti lang yung natira ngayon. A lot of them first 30 seconds biglang umalis, but for you guys na stayed, I love you guys. Thank you for the support, and please subscribe. Please motherfucking subscribe. You better subscribe, man. If you like this type of video, you better subscribe. Click that subscribe button right now and like this video if you like it. If you don't like it, fucking dislike it. If you dislike it, I appreciate that because you show that you're a true motherfucker. Hindi ka plastic, dinislike mo, and I like that. And bye-bye. Where's the fucking stop? Ayun.